In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ORER AC306 Mechanical Keyboard. The Aula AC306 wireless keyboard and mouse set is designed for versatile use across desktops, laptops, and gaming, featuring a retro round keycap design and a full-size 104-key layout. This wireless set operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and connects via USB, ensuring a hassle-free setup. With an optoelectronic resolution of 1600 dpi for the mouse and ergonomic support for comfortable use, it's suitable for various applications, including home, office, and recreational activities. The keyboard measures 445 by 136 by 35 mm and weighs approximately 658 g, while the mouse is 109 by 63 by 36 mm and weighs around 50 g. This package, certified with CE, reflects Aula's commitment to quality and functionality. Number 2. Ajazz AK35i Mechanical Keyboard. The Ajazz AK35i gaming mechanical keyboard offers versatile functionality for gaming and general use, featuring 104 keys and supporting 3 connection modes: wired USB, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Designed for both multimedia and gaming, this multifunctional keyboard boasts a mechanical operation style, ensuring tactile feedback and durability. It highlights RGB lighting for a customizable aesthetic and is compatible with laptops, enhancing any setup. With no high concern chemicals and a standard English language layout, the AK35i combines style and practicality, making it an excellent choice for gamers and casual users alike. Number 3. Akko 5075S Wire Keyboard. The Akko 5075S Wire Kit is a 75% custom bare-bone mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and typing enthusiasts. It features a gasket-mounted structure, providing a cushioned and flexible typing experience, as well as RGB backlighting with a south-facing PCB for visual flair. The keyboard supports USB Type-C wired connectivity and is hot-swappable for both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing users to easily customize their typing experience. It includes 82 keys, 2 adjustable feet, and comes equipped with Akko's proprietary double-shot plate mount stabilizers to minimize rattle. Additionally, the 5075S is compatible with VIA for advanced multi-platform key remapping and RGB customization, making it a versatile option for users on Linux, Mac, and Windows. The kit includes everything needed for assembly, such as a USB-C cable and a switch puller, but does not support the Akko Cloud driver. Number 4. Imis Gaming Keyboard. The Imis USB wired AK700 mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact and durable 104-key mechanical keyboard designed for both gaming and general use. With a hot-swappable switch type and full-key anti-ghosting functionality, it provides optimal responsiveness and accurate simultaneous keystrokes, making it ideal for serious gamers. This keyboard features a striking multicolor backlight with 22 preset lighting modes, allowing for customization based on user preference. Constructed with a high-quality ABS panel and frosted keycaps, it is built to withstand more than 50 million keystrokes, ensuring long-lasting performance. The keyboard comes with a 1.3mm USB cable and is packaged with a commitment to customer satisfaction, including a lifetime warranty and a 15-day money-back guarantee. Orders are processed quickly, typically within 24 to 48 hours, and shipping options include economical rates as well as expedited services. The Imis AK700 is designed to meet the needs of gamers while providing reliable and stylish performance for any laptop or PC setup. Number 5. FURYCUBE 63 Keys Mechanical Keyboard. The FURYCUBE ZA646 mechanical keyboard is a compact, ergonomically designed gaming keyboard featuring a 63-key layout and offering hot-swappable blue or red mechanical switches for customizable tactile feedback. Constructed with durable ABS keycaps, it ensures long-lasting performance while providing a rainbow RGB backlighting effect that enhances visual appeal. The keyboard utilizes a USB Type-C wired connection for reliable data transfer and supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With its plug-and-play functionality, the ZA646 is user-friendly, requiring no driver installation. The design incorporates an adjustable foot support for comfortable use during extended gaming sessions and features all-key rollover to prevent input conflicts. Overall, the FURYCUBE ZA646 combines functionality and style, making it suitable for desktop, laptop, and tablet applications.